With expertise beyond doubt, ARRB Systems presents the Roughometer 4. Get real-time IRI from a smartphone. The Roughometer 4 provides accurate and repeatable roughness results on both sealed and unsealed roads. The Roughometer 4 is a response-type roughness device, eliminating the uncertainties in factors such as your vehicle's suspension, fuel levels, or passenger weight. Combining software intelligence with human intelligence, the Roughometer 4's technology is operated through two wireless buttons mounted anywhere on your dashboard. The device can be operated by one person and most modern vehicles. Your vehicle location is visualized and roughness is tracked using GPS in real time. You can record events with your voice and watch them plotted on the map in real-time interface. The Roughometer 4 is capable of collecting up to 5,000 kilometers of survey data per gigabyte of storage, easily stored on your Android device. This data is saved directly to your phone or tablet and can be uploaded to the cloud. Intuitive and interactive, the Roughometer 4 delivers a simple system for assessing road quality by using a wireless distance sensor. After conducting a road survey, the Roughometer 4's software allows for customizable processing settings and reporting intervals, including IRI, NASRA, and bump integrator as outputs. You can get objective data and a true evaluation of the roughness level of the roads with the Roughometer 4, a cost-effective, easy-to-install portable device that provides reliable and repeatable roughness results each and every time. Visit us at arrbsystems.com.